I've watched hundreds of UK properties sit online for months in 2026, and I can tell you exactly what's going wrong. Right now, 5 specific mistakes are often costing sellers tens of thousands of pounds, and most estate agents won't tell you about them through fear of losing a listing. If you're planning to sell this year, the next 3 minutes could save you months of frustration and a serious amount of money. Mistake number 1, overpricing. I know you've heard this before, but here's what's changed in 2026. UK buyers have options now. Inventory is up, mortgage rates have settled but remain cautious, and the leverage has shifted completely. When you price £15,000 above market just to test it, you're not testing anything. You're signaling to every buyer that you're not serious. The homes that sell quickly in 2026 are priced correctly from day one, because the market punishes price chasers with months of stale listings and forced reductions, which puts you in a weakened negotiating position. Before you start. Mistake number 2, poor presentation, and I'm talking about the basics. Your listing photos are the first thing buyers see, and if they show cluttered rooms, poor lighting, or a front garden that looks like it hasn't been touched since 2019, you've lost the viewing before it even starts. Professional photos aren't expensive. They're typically £150 to £300, but they're the difference between 3 viewings and 30. It's even possible to get professional-looking photos doing it yourself if you seek guidance. First impressions aren't just important, they're everything. Fix your curb appeal, declutter every room, and get a photographer who knows how to make an average 3-bed semi look like something people actually want to live in. Mistake number 3, not standing out online. Your online listing is your shop window, and a lot of them fail to impress. Buyers are scanning dozens of properties in minutes, so your headline needs to tell them exactly what they're getting. Not charming family home, but 4-bed with office, new boiler, 10-minute walk to station. Your first photo needs to be your best room, not an exterior shot in February rain. Your description needs scannable bullet points, not a wall of text about potential and character. And when someone inquires, you need to respond in minutes, not days, because they're looking at 5 other properties right now. Mistake number 4, ignoring what buyers actually want in 2026. Energy efficiency isn't a nice to have anymore, it's a filter. Buyers are looking at EPC ratings before they book viewings because energy bills are still a major concern. If your boiler is 15 years old or your windows are single glazed, that's a red flag. Flexible space matters too. People need a room that works as an office, a gym, or a guest bedroom, not just 3 bedrooms and a box room. And walkability is huge now. Proximity to shops, schools, GP surgeries and transport links isn't just convenient, it's a lifestyle requirement. If your home has these features, put them in the first line of your listing. If it doesn't, fix what you can and price accordingly. Mistake number 5, and this is the one that ties everything together: weak strategy. Most sellers don't have a clear process. They pick an agent, stick a board up, and hope for the best. That's not a strategy, that's a guess. You need a pricing plan based on comparable sales data, a prep checklist that covers everything from photos to paperwork, a launch calendar that maximizes visibility, a feedback loop so you know exactly why viewings aren't converting, and a negotiation framework so you don't panic and accept the first low offer. Remove the guesswork, react with data, and you'll sell faster and for more money. That's why I started this channel, to help you avoid these traps. This is exactly why we built a step-by-step home selling platform for you to do the strategizing yourself, to help people avoid these mistakes completely, with clear processes, real data, and support at every stage. Selling in 2026 doesn't have to be stressful, it just has to be strategic. If you found this useful, subscribe for more UK property strategy. I'm breaking down exactly what works in 2026, with data, not guesswork. Check the link below to visit our website. Right, let's get your home sold properly.